Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at your favorite, some long to short hair transformations. Ooh, look at this chic bob cuts. Beautiful ombre color, loving the bangs. Very nice transformation. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with hair around mid-back length or so. And she decided to also switch it up with a gorgeous bob haircut. Very pretty. Next up, we have someone with long waist length hair. She's got some grown out color here. Oh, she gets a cute little mini bob or pixie bob haircut. Oh, I love this. She looks so much older and sophisticated with the pixie bob style. Gorgeous transformation. So we do get a nice 360 view of this cut. I love when that happens because we get to see it from all angles. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. She's got some grown out color here as well. Ooh, wow. Now the highlight of this cut is definitely the color change. She looks absolutely breathtaking. I love the angled bob. Hair is longer in the front, shorter in the back. Wow, that color is just breathtaking. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you with these last few long to short hair transformations.